So, since owning my Ducati Scrambler, one thing which I have not done is replace the air filter. Now I've been doing some green laning, off-roading, riding on dirt roads, so I'm sure my current air filter, which sits right here behind the rectifier, is full of dust. So we're gonna fix that today. Should be a simple job, just removing these side trim panels here, one on each side, and then we're gonna remove this big plastic here, and the air filter should sit right behind it. So the air filter I'm gonna use is a high flow, and the model number is HFA6001. This is the filter over here. So these two plastic trims are held on by a couple of Allen bolts. Two of them sit right over here behind the fender. So my fender is custom and it's a bit high. I'm not sure if it's gonna interfere with me removing those two bolts. Your fender should sit right over here and it shouldn't interfere at all. We've also have two additional Allen bolts here on the side. And I think we have some hidden on the inside over here. Probably there's one or two Allen bolts to remove this side of the panel. So we're gonna use a 4mm Allen wrench and start removing these bolts. So I'm gonna remove my front fender because it's in the way of the top bolts. Again, you shouldn't have this problem because you should have the stock fender which sits right here and it shouldn't be an issue. And now we have clear access to these bolts here. So if you're looking from the front of the bike, the left hand side fairing, there's a bolt just right over here. We're gonna remove that. So this one seems to be smaller, 3mm I think. And the last bolt sits on the bottom, just right over here. So now that both of our side fairings are gone, now it's just a matter of removing all of these torque screws all around this plastic part. And these are T20 torque screws. So let's start removing them. So with all torque screws removed, we can start now pulling out this whole assembly. So we've got our old air filter here, and it's pretty dusty and dirty. So it was a good idea to replace it. So if your inside of the airbox here is a bit dirty, it's a good time to clean it now. And we're gonna install our new air filter and everything back in reverse order. So I'm removing the air filter. This was sitting on top of it right here. So make sure that the grooved part here slots on this side and not on the other side up here. So this will sit here. So we're gonna put it on the new air filter. And that will go over here. So now with our top ring installed correctly, we're just gonna put everything back together. And time to put back all the torque screws back inside. So just before I attach the side panels, I have finished assembling the airbox. I'm gonna start the bike and check for obvious air leaks. If everything is fine and I see no obvious air leaks, I'm just gonna go ahead and install the side panels. And that should be it. So now I have fully assembled the bike again, the fender, the side fairings, and the whole airbox. And that's basically the job done. I hope this guys has helped you in replacing your air filter. Again, it's not that much of a long job, just a lot of bolts to remove and reinstall. And with that being said, see you guys on the next one.